4 personal financial books that will change your life, help you master money, and build wealth. And so if you watch this video till the end, you're going to be learning about 4 amazing books that will help you make money, magnet money, manage money, and grow your money. And these amazing books were highly recommended by the likes of Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, and they are going to blow your mind. If you've been looking for a way to grow your money, you've been looking for a way to learn how to multiply your money or how to increase your income, these 4 books are going to help you. Don't go anywhere. I am Chidima Obusimba, and of course, you can call me the Book Boss. So, if you are a returning viewer, I want to specially say thank you for coming back to my YouTube channel. And if today is your first time, you are highly welcome. So I need you to do something. I need you to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you can always get notified when I release a new video, so you don't miss out. I also need you to hit the like button so that more people will get to see this video and also learn from it. One of the reasons why I love to read books as a person is because books are the cheapest ways to gain knowledge. Yes, one of the easiest way to gain knowledge for me is by reading books that were written by great authors who have shared their experiences to help us avoid certain mistakes. And that is why I love to read books. And then if you're looking for a way to grow your money, manage your money, or you want to learn how to increase your income, you need to read these financial books that I'm recommending to you in this video. So let's move on the first book. The first on my list, these are personally selected by me because these books have really helped me when it comes to building wealth and then learning more about how to manage money. Now, let me get you to understand something. It is not all about having millions of dollars, millions of naira, millions of pounds, whatever currency you are using in your account. No, it is first about you getting the right knowledge about money. That is how you can grow money. You don't start growing money by making the money first. You start growing money by changing your money mindset. And that is why I'm going to be reviewing these books to you. First on my list is Rich Dad, Poor Dad, which is a very popular book. But in as much as this is a very popular book, I assure you that most people have not read this book. You might have it as a hard copy in your library, or you have a soft copy on your device. Most people have not been able to read this book, or somehow some people were able to start and were not able to finish. Whichever way, whichever one you are, either you've started or you have not even started at all, or you've been procrastinating reading this book, I need you to pick up Rich Dad, Poor Dad, written by Robert Kiyosaki. Now, Robert Kiyosaki is someone who is called the Millionaire School Teacher. Yes, he is called the Millionaire School Teacher because he is someone who teaches about wealth, teaches about building wealth, because he grew up from, he was able to build wealth from nothing to who he is today in the world. And one of his quotes says that the main reason people struggle financially is because they have spent years in school but learned nothing about money. And this result is why people work for money but never learn how to have money or how to save money. This is one of my favorite books about finances. And he said that it is not about how much money you make, it is about how much money you keep. That is what makes you financially free. It's not about making money, which is where many people focus on. It is about being able to keep money. And for you to be able to keep money, you must have financial literacy. Go look for the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. And if you've read this book before, maybe this is a time, or this is a call for you to also go back and read this book again. There is nothing stopping you from reading a book over and over and over. Next is the Lean Startup by Eric Rice. Many people intend to build wealth through their businesses, and if that is you, this is one book I strongly recommend that you read. Many people want to build wealth, and the only way to build wealth, because there's no inheritance, there's no money anywhere, is through their businesses. So this is a book that will also show you how to get started, how to adjust your business, how to create a radically successful business. If you intend to, build wealth through your business, you need to read The Lean Startup. Next on my list is The Millionaire Fastlane by MJ DeMarco. This is an amazing book. These are great books that have really helped me by reviewing a lot of things, about money building, about creating wealth. And he said that you cannot solve poor financial management with more money. That is what many people want to do. You don't have enough money, or you feel you don't have enough money. The first thing that comes to your mind is, let me look for ways to get more money. But here he's saying that no, you cannot solve poor financial management with more money. The first thing you need to learn is how to manage the one you have, so you can be able to build more. And he went ahead to talk about the wealth trinity. This is fun. You can find this in the book, The Millionaire Fastlane. So I need you to check out this book and get it. You need to check out this book and get it. He talked about the wealth trinity, and so one of them is family, which is relationship. These are ways you can build wealth. Family, which is relationship. Fitness, which is your health, and freedom, which is choice. And he said this is where true wealth is. True wealth lies between all of these three choices, and the leading causes of poorness is poor choices. When you read this book, you're going to learn about how to make the right choices when it comes to building your finances. And finally, the last book I want to recommend to you, which is the fourth personal financial book here, is The Intelligent Investor, written by Benjamin Graham. This is one of the most popular books and one of the most important books you will ever read. One of the most important books you will ever read on how to reach your financial goals through investment. Now, if you check these 4 books I've recommended, Rich Dad Poor Dad talks about changing your money mindset. The Lean Startup talks about building wealth through your business. The Millionaire Fastlane talks about building wealth through the choices you make. And The Intelligent Investor talks about building wealth through investment. These books were carefully selected so to cover all areas of your money building. All your money building processes. These books were carefully selected because these are books that will help reshape your mind. You don't just keep reading books about money mindset without reading books about how to make money. Okay, so this is one of the books this particular book was recommended by Warren Buffett, and he calls it the best books on money, the best books on investment. Don't make the wrong investment. You can make all the money in the world, but if you make wrong investment, you're going to lose all of your money in no time. So in as much as you're learning how to build wealth, learn how to carefully invest wisely by reading The Intelligent Investor. So this is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching till this end. A question from me to you is, what is the best financial books you have ever read, and why is it your best? Drop this answer in the comment section. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, I need you to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, and like this video. Thank you.